Here I have a LENOVO TAB M8, and today I'm going to show you how to enable battery saver on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find this button, battery saver. So by tap on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. So you can also switch it here. You can set up a schedule for it based on percentage. And you can set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected. I mean, you can set it to turn off automatically when a tablet charges above 19%. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.